with the CF-160 double buck press. The CF-160 double buck press has everything laid out for easy operation. One look and you can see the body of the CF-160 is built for years of trouble-free operation. Our press cover is made of Nomex, the same fabric as firefighters' clothing to resist heat and moisture. Under the cover, we've installed 2 layers of soft felt padding, backed by an exclusive silicone sponge pad. Unlike conventional wire pads, our silicone sponge continually springs back to shape after compression. Stainless steel pads can eventually become compacted and hard, which leads to broken buttons and time-consuming button replacement. The proprietary Sankosha silicone sponge pad provides button protection and crease-free finishing. Our unique tuck press feature makes it easy to finish sleeve pleats evenly, with no unsightly creases on the cuff gussets. The CF-160 is also equipped with short sleeve clamps to make it possible to finish long and short sleeve shirts in the same batch. One of the key advantages of the CF-160 is that this machine has been designed to operate the way you work. All of the two-handed shirt prep functions are aided with foot pedal switches. For example, the neck clamp is operated with a foot pedal so both hands are free for collar positioning. All of the CF-160 functions are located on one convenient control panel. The main control panel offers features to adjust your press to match your facility's environment, so you're not wasting energy by over-drying or compromising quality by under-drying the shirt's fabric. While the CF-160 cycle times are preset in long and short cycle formats, they're also fully adjustable. This means your cycle time can be immediately changed depending on the shirt's fabric. The CF-160 comes with a built-in counter display, so you can easily track your workflow and productivity. The operation of the CF-160 double buck press couldn't be easier. Set the press for the long or short cycle. The short cycle is for light fabrics, and the long cycle is for heavy fabrics. Typically, the long cycle is 24 to 30 seconds, and the short cycle is 12 to 18 seconds. In both modes, the steam duration is 1 second. These times can be adjusted from 1/10 of a second to 9.9 seconds to optimize your press to the relative humidity in your facility and for the quality of finish you're looking for. A 2.5 second duration is generally accepted as normal. See for yourself how quickly the CF-160 will deliver a perfect press. Place the shirt on the body of the press by centering the shoulders left to right and back to front. The collar is wrapped around the neck. While holding the shirt in place at the first button, the foot pedal is pressed, which activates the collar clamp and holds the collar securely in place. The back of the shirt is then pulled down and to the sides to allow the tail clamp to grasp the shirt tail as the foot pedal is depressed once more. This moves the tail clamp into place and activates the vacuum. Now the front of the shirt can be drawn across the press body. As the shirt is adjusted, it's held snugly to the body of the CF-160's powerful vacuum system. The cuffs are then slipped over the tuck table and clamped at a slight angle for a perfect press throughout the entire length of the arm. The shirt is now ready to finish. The two-handed start switches guarantees that the operator's hands are away from the press and out of harm's way. At the start of the cycle, the body rotates away from the operator. The press cycle begins as the front and rear presses close on the shirt. Then the side expanders open and a blast of steam relaxes the fibers. The steam is followed by a stream of superheated air. The faster the drying time, the better the finish, so the superheated air is approximately 300 degrees to literally flash dry the fabric. With the air's high velocity, the shirt inflates to eliminate wrinkles. Because of the high temperature of the steam and drying air, this operation is performed at the rear of the press, well away from the operator. The CF-160 can also press short sleeve shirts without any mechanical adjustments. The operator activates the short sleeve button on the control panel, then simply uses the short sleeve clamps. With this double system, as one shirt is being pressed, another shirt can be immediately prepared on the second body. 90 to 120 shirts an hour can be pressed with hand iron quality. While a quality finish is the ultimate purpose of any shirt finisher, reliable operation is an expectation every owner should demand. The CF-160 double buck press is manufactured to operate efficiently by including a built-in self-diagnostic control system. To keep it running at peak efficiency, the CF-160 constantly monitors its operation with a series of magnetic cylinder sensors and proximity switches. Troubleshooting is easy because the LED panel uses a numerical code indicating not only if, but where an adjustment is needed. All of the key components are labeled for easy identification. For example, if you see the number 58 appear on the error panel, it means there's a foot pedal malfunction. Unlike other presses, if you have a problem, the CF-160 directs you right to the source to make the correction. The built-in menu offers 36 tests that monitor all the moving parts. Using the test mode, you can easily check to see if all the major functions and if all the indicator lamps are working properly. The test program allows you to isolate a function so you can check any part of the press without having to run a complete cycle. With the self-diagnostics, you can do your own troubleshooting or use our toll-free helpline to reach customer support. Frequently, you can get instructions over the phone without having to dispatch a service rep. You can maximize the speed of your CF-160 double buck press by teaming it with Sankosha's CF-210 rotary collar and cuff press. In a 3-press workstation with 1 CF-210 and 2 CF-160s, you'll be able to finish up to 240 shirts an hour. When the CF-210 is teamed with 1 CF-160, 2 operators can finish up to 120 shirts an hour. Imagine that kind of productivity without sacrificing a quality finish. Even with their high output, the CF-160 double buck press and CF-210 rotary collar and cuff press will deliver years of maintenance-free service. We're so confident in our product's quality, Sankosha offers a lifetime warranty on our circuit boards and welding. When your business calls for hand-pressed quality, fast, efficient operation, and unmatched reliability, you need to call Sankosha. Time is money, so it pays to have the speed and efficiency of Sankosha presses. Imagine the difference Sankosha could make in your facility. We tackle age-old problems with 21st century technology. That's why we say, if you want to see where the competition will be tomorrow, take a look at what Sankosha is doing today.